Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make caramel kulfi at home. Let's start by gathering our essential ingredients. You will need 2 cups of full-fat milk, 1 cup of heavy cream, and 1 can of sweetened condensed milk. Also, have 1/2 cup of granulated sugar ready for the caramel, along with a pinch of salt. For that authentic touch, prepare 1 teaspoon of cardamom powder and some chopped nuts for garnish. This simple list ensures a truly delicious outcome. Now, let's create that beautiful caramel. In a heavy-bottomed pan, heat 1/2 cup of granulated sugar over medium heat. Stir it continuously until it completely melts and transforms into a gorgeous, rich amber liquid. Be careful not to burn it. Once melted, slowly and carefully add 1/4 cup of hot water, stirring constantly until the caramel is smooth and fully dissolved. This step is crucial for that signature caramel flavor. Next, we prepare the creamy kulfi base. In a large, heavy-bottomed pot, combine 2 cups of full-fat milk and 1 cup of heavy cream. Bring this mixture to a gentle simmer over medium-low heat. Continue to cook, stirring occasionally, until the volume reduces by about 1/3 and it becomes noticeably thicker. Then, stir in 1 can of sweetened condensed milk and our freshly made caramel until everything is perfectly combined and smooth. This forms the heart of our kulfi. Finally, it's time to freeze our delicious kulfi. Allow the mixture to cool completely to room temperature. Then, carefully pour it into your kulfi molds or small, freezer-safe cups. Insert kulfi sticks if you are using molds. Place them in the freezer for at least 6 to 8 hours, or even better overnight, to ensure they are perfectly set. Before serving, garnish with a sprinkle of chopped pistachios or almonds. Enjoy your homemade caramel kulfi.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.